Hi guys, Stu here from 3B. This is the second part of my how I clean my TV. It's an update on the original video that I did a while ago that's become quite popular. Just to recap, 2 clean cloths. One that we use for the alcohol, the other one we keep dry. Next thing is that we make sure that the TV is turned off and also has been off for some time and is cool to the touch. Or cold even. So you don't just sort of go around on using the back of your hand because you don't want to get any grease on it. So you just sort of check if your TV is cool and cold. But what you will find is that most sort of TVs are backlit from the side, so it'll be warmer towards the edges. Certainly down the bottom, it'll be warmer. So you want to make sure these areas are cold. Next, all you do, you have to excuse me because I'm sort of crouching down. You get your alcohol, get your very clean cloth, and you don't use too much. Just a tiny little splash. And then what we do is we scrunch that up to spread it out so we're not sort of soaking. So you scrunch that up, and whilst it's still just teeny tiny a little bit damp, so let me move those out of the way. And what we want, cold TV, you can actually see the reflection of my camera and the soft boxes that I use to light myself up for the normal videos. And we just go across, just very lightly. We don't want to put any pressure on the panel at all. And the best way of checking to see whether you've got it okay, go up and down, make sure any potential streaks that might be there are removed. But if you do it just right, you won't get any at all. So yeah, you do that, and then we put that down, and then immediately grab the dry cloth and just go over around the edges. Looking good. And then what you can do is you can just sort of tilt and then look down the side, and that will show you if there are any grease marks still on the TV, if you've done any streaking, so to speak. No one wants that. No one wants to see a streaky Stu or even a streaky monitor or TV. Oh, there's a little bit of fly crap. So you just sort of look down the side, and you should have just a nice gloss. If it's a gloss one like this, you shouldn't see anything at all. And as long as your TV is cold, as long as you've not used too much alcohol, as long as you've got a very clean and dry cloth, you'll be absolutely fine. And that's how I clean this TV. That's how I clean my monitor for working on these videos. That's how I clean my records. That's how I clean anything like my phone, anything that's in contact with our grubby mitts. So yeah, if you've got any questions, just let me know. I hope these videos prove useful. I hope this update clarifies a few things, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the bell, and I'll catch you again very soon. Thanks again, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Love clicking things? I do. You do. We all do. Why not click some more things like the subscribe button? Or in fact, there's a bell button. How exciting. These mythical buttons make numbers grow and alerts appear like magic. Do it now and be part of the wonder of the interwebs. How about another video? Look, it's there. Lovely new video to watch when you're done clicking. Yummy.